In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Zoho and invoice Zoho.com, making invoicing a breeze. To get started, you'll first want to head over to your Zoho accounts page. This is the central hub where you manage all your Zoho applications. Once you have the Zoho accounts page open, direct your attention to the upper right corner. You'll notice an icon that features a cluster of 6 boxes. This is your gateway to accessing Zoho's various applications. Click on that icon and let's move on. Immediately, you'll notice a search bar has appeared. In that search bar, type the word invoice. This search feature is designed to streamline your navigation, ensuring you get straight to the application you need without any hassle. Once you see the invoice option pop up in your search results, simply click on it. This will lead you right into Zoho Invoice, the tool we'll use to manage our invoicing. Now that you're inside Zoho Invoice, we begin by clicking on your organization name. Selecting this is crucial as it opens up the customization settings specific to your organization. Once you're in, direct your attention to the industry section. You'll want to select the industry that best matches your business. This might seem like a small detail, but it helps tailor the invoicing experience to better suit your unique needs. With the industry set, let's move on to your organization's location. Click on the organization location. Here, you'll specify your state or province from the given options. Make sure to get these details right, as they ensure that your invoices adhere to the regional regulations applicable to your area. Continuing with these details, your next task is to click on Add Organization Address. Enter your business address in the provided fields. This step is crucial for establishing legitimacy with your clients and ensuring that all communications are accurately directed to your business location. Now we'll discuss currency. Click on the currency setting and select the currency you typically conduct business in. This is particularly beneficial for international dealings, allowing all your transactions to be displayed in the correct monetary format. Language is another key aspect to consider, particularly if you have a diverse client base. Click on the language setting to choose the language most appropriate for your clients. This choice aids in preventing misunderstandings by ensuring everyone can clearly understand your documentation. Next up, the time zone setting needs your attention. Clicking here allows you to set your correct time zone. This setting not only provides a more accurate account management interface, but also facilitates more effective scheduling and communication. As you near the end of your setup journey, Zoho Invoice will inquire how you currently manage your invoicing tasks. Select the option that best fits your scenario. This choice assists Zoho in customizing its features and support to better fit your current practices. Finally, to wrap up your setup, click on Get Started. This action unlocks the full potential of Zoho Invoice, enabling you to manage your invoicing with newfound efficiency and professionalism. And there you have it, a streamlined guide to setting up your invoicing process with Zoho. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to refine your process, these steps should set you up for success. Happy invoicing!